Today reading are from Luke 22:24-30. Then the apostle them start cuss about which one of them have the top position in the group. Jesus tell them say, the people them were no Jew, for them king them boss them up for make them do what they want them to do. And them were in a power say them are the one who help the people. But uno no fi galang like a them. The one who have the top position fi go on like the one where they are the bottom. And the leader fi go on like the servant. Tell me something. Who higher than who? The one who sit down at the table or the one where I serve? Not the one at the table. But me there amongst who I serve. Uno turn with me when me did I go through me trouble them. And now me a make uno king. Just like how for my father make me king. So uno can name and drink at my table in my kingdom. Sit down upon throne and judge Israel 12 tribe them. A God word this. Thank God.